This recipe for fluffy pancakes will definitely blow your mind. With just 1 egg and 3 other ingredients, you can make yourself a stack of light, airy, and delicious pancakes. Perfect for quick breakfast or a delightful brunch. These pancakes are sure to become a favorite in your kitchen. Ingredients that you'll need: cooking oil and 1 egg, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and finally a pinch of salt. Now we start the process. In a large bowl, let us first start by mixing the dry ingredients. First, we take the 2 cups of flour, pour into the bowl, followed by the 3 tablespoons of sugar, then a pinch of salt, ensuring that they are thoroughly blended. Once you have mixed these ingredients, create a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Into this well, add your wet ingredients. These include the egg, which obviously you'll crack, and pour in the milk, the 1 cup. Using a whisk or any other material you have in the house, blend the egg and milk together, gradually incorporating the dry ingredients on the sides of the wall. Continue whisking until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter. This method ensures that the wet and dry ingredients are perfectly combined for the best pancake consistency. If you have not yet subscribed, I highly recommend that you do so. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of Almasi's latest videos. By subscribing, you will never, and I mean never, miss out on any new content, exciting recipes, or helpful tips. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating great videos for you to enjoy. Don't miss out. So, this is your time. Subscribe and turn on notifications. it is finally that time, definitely cooking time. First, we will start by using a non-stick pan and pour in a small amount of cooking oil. Allow the oil to preheat for about 1 minute. The reason of preheating is because it ensures that the pancakes cook as evenly and develop a nice golden color. Obviously, that's what every cook wants, for the pancakes to have that golden touch. Anyway, once the oil is hot, reduce the heat to medium to prevent burning and to cook the pancakes evenly. Step 2. Pour or scoop approximately 1/4 or a quarter cup of butter onto the pan for each pancake. Of course, if you put more than that, it will be all baggy and disgusting. Anyway, depending on the size of the pan, you can cook multiple pancakes at the same time, ensuring they have enough space to spread without touching each other. Thirdly, as the pancakes cook, you will definitely begin to notice some bubbles forming on the surface. This is a sign that the pancakes are cooking properly. When you see these bubbles, don't start to worry. Check the edges of the pancakes. They should appear dry and slightly soft, indicating that it's time to flip them. Using a spatula or a spoon, carefully flip each pancake. Also, before I forget, do not hesitate to let me know where exactly you're watching from. Leave us a comment below and I'll make sure, I will definitely make sure to give you a shout out in the next video. I mean, your support really means a lot to us, and I would love to acknowledge all our amazing viewers from all over the world. So drop a comment and stay tuned for our special mention. Also, once each pancake is cooked, transfer it to a plate and keep it warm. You can cover the plate with a clean kitchen towel or cover it in a low temperature oven around 200 degrees Fahrenheit to keep the pancakes warm while you cook the remaining batter. Repeat the process with the rest of the batter, adding more oil to the pan if needed to prevent sticking. Finally, you can now serve your fluffy pancakes warm with your favorite toppings. Popular choices include maple syrup, fresh fruit, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes with your family and friends. The other side until it becomes as golden brown. It should take about 1 to 2 minutes. It is important to adjust the heat as necessary to avoid burning the pancakes. If the pan seems too hot and the pancakes are browning too quickly, lower the heat slightly. Of course, you have that say. Conversely, if they are taking too long to cook, increase the heat a bit. as I said, the kitchen envelope. And there you have it, the final product. Your homemade fluffy pancakes, a delightful snack perfect for any time of the day, including morning. Now you do not have any stress anymore on what to make for breakfast. You're welcome.